What's up, y'all? How y'all feeling?
Yeah.
My name is Dexter Wordsmith Jones, and I'm not trying to raise money for no basketball team. I'm just trying to raise money to keep myself off the streets and out of trouble. I have a CD, a poetry CD. It's entitled Pride in a Dark Place. It's only $5. If you feel so inclined, please purchase a copy when I'm done.
Yes. Like no.
I swear to you. I swear to you.
Dope. Yeah.
What's that, dear?
I got it. It's a dope CD. It's a Grammy.
Changed
I'm
my
telling
life.
you, this got major production on there. Kanye produced tracks on that album, son. Son, if I'm lying, I'm dying. Kanye West produced tracks on that album. Kanye West. Alright. I swear to you, I'm just a spoken word artist, but Ainsley got me trying to be a rock star and a superstar tonight. So, can you play the track? Why do you hate me? Please just let me be. I wanna be free. I'm left with no clue. I've been good to you. I pray to the moon. What am I to do? No more bullet holes. Relinquish control. This shit's getting old. You're killing my soul. Tell me how much time. How far must I climb? My ancestors died, left my freedom behind. But I guess I must learn, my freedom is earned. Systems overturned, your system will burn. Won't take your excuse, untangle my noose. I just lit a fuse, watch out or you'll lose. Better keep your guns on lockdown, your guns locked down. Better keep your guns on lockdown, your guns locked down. Better keep your guns locked down, your guns locked down. Better keep your guns locked down or you'll lose. Better keep your guns on lockdown, your guns locked down. Better keep your guns locked down, your guns locked down. Better keep your guns locked down, your guns locked down. Better keep your guns locked down or you'll lose. Don't be the sucker coming into my face with that yeah. Day and night. That's not me. It's not that. Day and night I hear them rap the dumbest stories ever told. Is it me or could it be rap's getting old? How could they be so thoughtless? How could you be so thoughtless? They're saying this is why I'm hot, 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 please stop. This is how you get got. When a rapper's on stage flashing all of his rocks, please stop. This is how you get got. When a man's claim to fame is how he got shot, please stop. This is how you get got. Now I like to have a good time just like you, but I'm conscious. Certain things you just don't do, like embarrass your people on the microphone or refer to your woman as a bitch or a hoe. See, hip-hop is there, but that's just what happens. Or something called native tongue becomes abandoned. There's a difference between the MC and rapping. Rap comes and goes, this is everlasting. The Liberty Bell is cracked, and I hear it freedom ring. People in Africa dying over the same thing that people over here like to call bling. AIDS is an epidemic, but nobody has a cure, and no one seems to give a damn about Darfur. Am I African or not? They're trying to make you not sure. That's what they do to me. The media confusing me. They confusing me. Africa don't got tribes, they got communities. Don't get fazed by the Hutus and Tutsis, girls shaking their booties. I do my civil duties and police try to shoot me. Sometimes I think native tongue is back. It's really not though. The lyrics is whack, but the beat is hot though. They say it's the truth, but it's really not so. I'm most deaf-blind that most don't know. They all talk fast, but they all think slow. It's a sad fact that rappers become crap. They use it as a tool to make the niggas seem cool. The hip-hop leaders of the new school follow corporate rule and make the masses believe that it's wise to be a fool. They're modern-day slaves. They don't get hung by a rope, but they get hung by their chain. So they keep saying, wake up, Mr. Jones, Mr. Jones, Mr. Power, Mr. By himself, he's so alone. I mean, damn, could you write about the hoes? You got skills, young brother, skills. Write about the chrome. But no, dog, I won't. I pick up the microphone and rhyme as if I was stoned about the African home, I suppose. This is my call to greatness, resurrecting a nation. Welcome to education. You see, I don't make jokes, what I say is sincere. I'm a native tongue bringing the truth to your ear. They say I'm a rapper, I tell them listen right here. I'm not just an MC, I'm an MC squared. Peace out, that's my time. Thank you.